Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at IT Cosmetics Vitality Lip Flush 4-in-1 Reviver Lipstick Stain in Je ne sais quoi, which is 0.11 ounces by IT Cosmetics. I don't know if everybody, just to go over what Je ne sais quoi means. In French, it means I don't know what. Usually they say someone has, they have a je ne sais quoi about them, which is an I don't know what, but something special about them. So that they decided to name it je ne sais quoi, because it's something intangible that they don't know what. So it's a lipstick, a stain, a gloss, and an anti-aging balm all in one. It delivers a gorgeous flush of color to the lips that wears all day. It's ultra hydrating and conditioning. IT Cosmetics Vitality Flush Anti-Aging Lipstick Je ne sais quoi. And it includes antioxidants and essential butters and oils. So the Vitality Lip Flush is a 4-in-1 Reviver lipstick that is a lip product that will give you a natural, pretty, flush, vitality-filled lip color of lipstick with the anti-aging, hydrating, conditioning feel of a balm, along with the wear of a stain that doesn't dry out your lips. It's a truly multifaceted product packed with amazing natural ingredients, good for you anti-aging oxidants including vitamins A, C, E, Acai, green tea, white tea. Lip Vitality Flush protects and wards off free radicals all day long. So I've had this product for about 2 or 3 years. It's basically, it kind of works on the principle of what the temperature of your lips are. It's not a super bright color. I actually bought it in a set that came, this was a special set, but so it came with this little purse pocket. This is Je ne sais quoi, and it came with a lip gloss, which is the Vitality Lip Gloss Stain in Je ne sais quoi. So, but like today I'm focusing on the Je ne sais quoi 4-in-1 lip gloss, lipstick and lip conditioner. So it kind of works on the principle that it's a completely clear lipstick, and they give you a good amount of product, so you get a good amount. And I'm going to try some on my hand right now. You'll see that it's pretty clear, but the pink will come up if there's heat. So you can see how it's kind of changing to a pink color. It's super moisturizing. It's super nice. It doesn't really have much of a fragrance to it. It just kind of smells like I'm sure there's like jojoba oil and cocoa butter in this. I don't have the ingredients right in front of me, but I bought this for my mom and my sister and myself because it was a set. And this is for someone who really likes to wants something really natural. Something really natural, really moisturizing, something really pretty. Just a little flush on their lips. Nothing super overpowering. So this is something you can wear every day and just have a little bit of color and see how it's changed already from a clear to a nice pink stain. Now I'm going to show you the lip gloss just so you can see what it looks like over it, because this is, like I said, this was part of a set, but you can buy these separately. The Vitality Glass Stain in Je ne sais quoi. So I got a good deal on buying both of these. I don't think they sell them as a set anymore. I think it was something for Christmas. So this is what the gloss looks like over it. This is also super moisturizing. This one smells a little bit like vanilla, but it's a really great, like I said, it's a great duo, but I don't really think the gloss adds a ton, because there's so much moisturizer in the, I'll show you it alongside what it looks like without the gloss. I don't necessarily think that you need to have the gloss, but if you really like glossy lips, I would say go ahead and get the Je ne sais quoi lip gloss to go over the lip stain and moisturizer. Just a really great product. So like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. It's not a super expensive product. I don't think you'll regret it because it's a nice flush and then it looks natural, and you can wear it to work, or you can wear it to the movies, you can wear it you know, to run errands. Something to hydrate your lips, but also gives you a little color, so a little pop. So anyways, the Je ne sais quoi 4-in-1 lipstick by IT Cosmetics. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.